Okay, so today I've come down to Abbots Wood in Eastbourne, my friend Rob. He's got a Glidecam and I'm going to be checking out how I get on with the Glidecam as I'm looking at buying a stabiliser of some sort. So I'm going to be doing my normal handheld stuff, seeing how stable that looks compared to using the Glidecam. Let's go find out.
Oh.
This is Rob. Hi Rob.
Hi guys.
And the Glidecam, what model is this?
HD4000. You can get a 2000, but that's designed for a lighter weight camera, where I've got 24-70 and the 5D Mark III. I decided to go for the HD4000, especially if I wanted to upgrade to something a bit heavier as well.
Okay, so I'm going to start on my normal handheld setup, and that is just a 4K Joby and using 50 frames to get a stable sort of footage. And normally with that I'd have to sort of do a bit of post-production on that and put a warp stabiliser on. But hopefully using a Glidecam I'll be able to just get one take and not do too much in post. So first thing I'm going to do is set the frame rate to 50 frames a second. That just means I can slow it down to 25 frames in post and it will have a lot smoother motion. Next, as I've gone to 50 frames a second, I need to put the shutter speed to 100. That means you'll get natural motion blur throughout the footage. Okay, so the important thing here is just to have the Joby on 3 points of your body. So I've got two up against my chest and one on my hand. I'm going to have it nice and close to my body, my elbows tucked right in, and just slow, subtle movements. Okay, so I've done both shots with my handheld Joby, and then I've done some with the Glidecam. Now, those shots are the first time I've actually used the Glidecam, so they might not be perfect, but I really want to see in post how they look. I've also got Rob to do the same shots. He's got a lot more experience using this thing, so hopefully we'll see a real difference between the two, and it might make my decision a bit easier on if I want to get a stabiliser. I still want to look at a Ronin S as well, and compare the difference between the Glidecam and the Ronin S. But I think actually looking at it in real time, even though my shots weren't as stable as they could have been, it still looks a lot better than if it's handheld. When I'm static and handheld it's kind of okay, but if I've got a lot of movement, if I'm walking with it, then it is a little bit shaky in places. So I think a stabiliser is definitely a way for me to go. Let me know what you think as well. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, make sure you like, subscribe and comment. Subscribe.